talents coming through, and that's why we solidly believe about this grassroots is where it begins. We will never get the end fruits that we want from our slaves, not only locally, but they don't get an opportunity overseas. So it's a real pleasure this morning to welcome you all. The format is very simple. It's just signing out our agreement, and then of course there's a 5 kilo check out here that you may have to hold on. And then we'll take some photos. Obviously later on we will do a proper press release that will be very selective of the dates to release it. But in the meantime, I'll let Anthony just have a couple of words on this great occasion. Thank you.
Welcome to Football Federation of Samoa. I just want to acknowledge, first of all, the President, Board Member, Ecclesia Ravi, and the team that's here today. It is our, as Moana mentioned, it is our privilege, and what a great opportunity for us to support grassroots sport at the grassroots level, as what Moana said, is where it all starts. And if we get that right, and I can feel the coach here on my right hand side nodding, if we get that right, then the end product at a senior level, we'll be able to compete with the other countries within the region. It's such an honor for us to be partnering with the #1 sport in the world, and the #1 sports here in Samoa, especially at a grassroots level. I did mention to Ravi when we first met that when my youngest boy, who's 10, 11 years old, we came from New Zealand a couple of years ago, he said to me, "Dad, they don't play rugby here. They only play soccer." I said, "Oh, great." I said, "How popular is it?" It's more popular than rugby. You know, everyone plays soccer at school. They kick a ball around if they don't have a soccer ball, and if they do have a rugby ball, they kick that around as well. So it's a privilege and honor for Digicel to be partnering with Football Federation of Samoa on their grassroots program. One of our goals, and I shared that with the President and with Ravi when we first met. One of our goals for the next few years is to help Samoa achieve its United Nations Social Development Goal #3, which is centered around good health and well-being for Samoans at all ages. And we know soccer is very popular at all ages here in Samoa, so it's a privilege and honor for us to partner with Football Federation Samoa. We hope this is the start of a long-lasting and prosperous partnership. So thank you very much, Ravi, board member, and also the team that's here. So yeah, I think that's a few words that I wanted to say on behalf of Digicel. And yes, we're excited about, what great timing for us to make this announcement while the under-19 tournament is here and we're hosting it here in Samoa. I was here when we did the women's and we were invited to a few of the games, and I know the team put a fantastic event on, great hosts, all the feedback that I got, great facilities that you have, the best field in the country. So yeah, we're excited about this week with the tournament that's being hosted here, and it's great timing for us to announce our partnership. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mola. On behalf of the President of Football Federation Samoa, Vice President, board members, staff, we are honored to have Digicel on board to start off this this process, which we are starting from grassroots to youth to the senior level. It was very important to have a partnership with someone, and we are fortunate enough that we have Digicel on board. And knowing Digicel, I know this will be very helpful for Football Federation Samoa, and not only Football Federation Samoa, it will be helpful for whole of the Samoa. And why I'm saying this, because it involves children, and there are a lot of children around in our country, and we are thankful for Digicel to come up with this sponsorship to start off the Digicel Summer Liki tournament. This is the first of Summer Liki tournament in a primary school event, I will say, this year. And just to add on, we are starting with around 10 schools from Apia, but this is expected to increase. The number of the schools and number of children will increase in upcoming years, and will include more and more schools around Apia and in Opolu. And we are expected to take this program next year to Savai as well. So thank you, Digicel, for helping us, for assisting us, and we are honored to bring you on board, and we hope that this partnership continues and we grow bigger as we go along the years to come. Thank you very much.
Okay. So, sign the check now?
Yes, please. So, please, if we could take a tour, sign the contract that's on the back.
You sign it. You sign your. So, you need your glasses. You've read it, right? Because these are your copies. These are your copies you put, so that's good. Yeah. So I have some. Yeah. Oh.
That's how powerful it is.
Yeah. Wow. That's how excited you are.
It's okay, I'm done. I'm done.
Is that exciting?
Okay, cool. Awesome. I didn't know. Sorry, yeah, sorry. Look at the camera too. Please don't break this. This is what happens.
Don't
break that. See, this is what happens when you're from Thomasina, man. You need to get yourself in. Okay, well, we're good. Hand over the check.
Yes, please, if you don't mind. Just for the information, we
Just a mock check.
told.
It's real money, but a mock check.
So the total sponsorship that we're giving out is 50,000 in cash, 10,000 in kind. So all up, it's 60,000. So I'll hand over to Anthony from the morning.
And just for the record, this is just for the Grassroots program. Some Liki that Ravi spoke about. And we're hoping over the years to increase this, not only with the Grassroots program, but other programs as well.
Okay, can we have everyone move a bit together, please? 1, 2, 3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Great. Can we just sign them all?
Yeah, that's okay.
Yeah, great.
Yep.
The team, the entire team to sign it, then we go.
Yeah,
please.
and the board will be here,
Yeah,
so
the entire team.
As you can see, we've got a glass cabinet at the front, so a little bit.
Coach. You're gonna be famous one day, eh?
Again?
Yeah. Who's your Premier League team? Was that the wrong country? The wrong country, eh?
And the other, we
Yeah,
got,
sorry.
do we have any other members from the football? Take a team photo with everyone while we get?
Oh, you wanna come sign? You've been part of this.
Of course.
You've been part of this. This is, we're gonna stay here. What about our captain?
Yeah.
Drew, come sign. Because you're retiring this year, so.
For what?
Yeah.
by force.
Oh, but Darren, Cody and Darren there.
Oh, yeah. So Drew, we're as well taking a 2T photo here. Desmond, for the money.
Okay.
Are we looking which one? To you?
Yeah.
3. One more. 1, 2, 3. Perfect. Thank you.
Nice coach.
This, take this.
Thank
Thank you so much.